Quick background. Luma Dream Machine is an AI video generator made by Luma Labs. You give it a text prompt, a description of what you want to see, and it generates a short video clip. The free plan lets you create a limited number of videos each month without paying anything. Let's see how it actually works. So this is the landing page of lumalabs.ai. I'll just scroll down and see what are the sections. This looks good, minimalist, clean, not some overwhelming software tool. So now we'll go and get started. I'll just click on get started. This is how it comes. You can fill out all the details, but for the interest of time, I'll just continue with Google sign up and do next. I'm already logged into my Chrome, so that's why it was just easily populated out there. You can just type in your email addresses. So once you are logged in, it will take a welcome screen. Like neat, clean look. Okay, so I think these are several offerings or different types of transformation or ideas that this tool provides. And just see what all sections do we have here. Marketing, product design, these are all the options. Not many, it's just a small landing page. Very easy to navigate. So I'll just put in a prompt and see what it generates. Just test it out along with you guys. Okay, so it's like a bot chatbot. It opened up. What does it say? So I'm just trying to run a video. I gave it a prompt saying a golden retriever running through a sunlit meadow with white flowers, slow motion, cinematic lighting. Not much, I think it can easily handle. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, it's generating. Meanwhile, I will just see what other options we have. Okay, so I use various AI models out there and might have some of its own. And take color grading, media upload. Alright, yeah, this is taking time in generating. Let's hope it's a good result. Okay, what's on the right in the chat? It's saying our vision is beautiful. Wow, that's cool. Hope the product is also beautiful. Settings, what do we have? It offers multiple languages as well. That's a holistic list. Yeah, so maybe people from all places. I think you guys can just try creating these videos in your native languages, whatever is your target audience, or if you're doing it for some personal project, you can just do that. Guys, just keep in mind that this is a free plan. I haven't paid anything, and this is what we are getting right now out of the free plan. A 10-second video with 6:9 scale, YouTube ready. That's a good start, I'd say. My honest reaction, just while we are waiting for it to complete, this looks decent. Not too artificial. What we see on other platforms looks like shot on a camera with slight lighting, not cinematic, normal lighting in the outside in the open. Just a dog running. Okay, let's see what the final output is. Okay, so here's my honest take on Luma Dream Machine's free plan. What's good? The sign up was painless, no credit card required. The interface is simple. You're not lost in menus and settings. And the output, for a free tool, the quality genuinely surprised me. The motion was smooth, the lighting looked natural, and it actually followed my prompt reasonably well. What's not great? You are limited to short clips. My video was just 10 seconds. If you need anything longer, you are either stitching clips together or upgrading to a paid plan. and the generation is in instants. That's it. Who should use this? If you are a content creator who needs short AI clips for social media, YouTube intros, or B-roll, the free tier is generally usable. You're not going to make a full video with it, but for accent clips, it works. If you want to see how other free AI video tools compare, I'm testing all the major ones on this channel. I've already tried Runway, Kling, Helio, and a few others. Each one has a full honest walkthrough just like this one. If this was helpful, consider subscribing. I'm testing one new tool every week and sharing exactly what the free plans actually give you. No sponsors, no hype. Just a regular person trying things out. Drop a comment and let me know which AI video tool you want me to try next. I'll see you in the next one.